Hello everybody, hope everyone's having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. This is Decluttering Part 3. Again, I've been cleaning and decluttering some stuff. This is Part 3 of more lippies. I've gotten rid of a whole bag so far, and I looked up these on Amazon. I got these in 2014. I got these on Amazon right here, and then I got these at a local place. These definitely need to go. These are really super old, and these, I can't believe when I bought these in 2014, guys. So these are really super old, but they do have them on Amazon still, and I can actually rebuy these. I am so excited because I really, really like these Maybelline ones. These Revlon ones. Sorry, guys, Revlon. I really like these. And they do have these on Amazon still. I am so excited about that because I really enjoyed these. I believe this one is Maybelline though, and these are Revlon, but they do have these on Amazon because I looked it up in my old orders thing. So yeah, this is what I'm decluttering so far. No eyeshadows. I'm just going through my stuff this week. So yeah, this is what I have been doing. This is part 3, guys. Part 4 will be coming shortly. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. And remember to hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, sub, and comment. That really helps me. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys.